my dear students in grade 4. Our lesson today is module 4, nice and tasty. Top stars part 2. Open your students book page 44 and 45 and your workbook page 43. Let's get started.
The school vision, to prepare creative, well-educated students who are able to establish civilized, aware, reserved society, stick to the authentic morals and values, in addition to using the modern technology.
The value of the week. I am proud that I am a Muslim. The focus of our lesson today is to ask and answer questions about countable and uncountable nouns. To ask about the price of food items.
Look, there isn't any juice in the glass. There aren't any eggs in the basket. Is there any cheese in the fridge? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Are there any carrots in the fridge? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Have you got any chocolate? How much is it? It's 10 Qatari Riyal. How much are they? They're 20 Qatari Riyal.
We use this to ask about the existence of something in general. Have you got any books? Have you got any water? Whether the noun is countable or uncountable. For example, have you got any books? Have you got any water? Have you got any juice? Have you got any pencils? Have you got any water? As you know that water is an uncountable noun. Have you got any pencils? Pencils is a countable noun. It's in the plural form. So we can use have got any to ask about countable nouns or uncountable nouns. How much is it? We use how much is it to ask about the price of countable nouns in singular form or an uncountable noun while we use the question. How much are they to ask about the price of countable noun in plural form. For example, I can say, how much is it? How much is the sugar? How much is the water? How much are they? How much are the apples? How much are the chairs? Find examples for these questions in the text on page 44. Is there any spaghetti in the cupboard? There isn't any spaghetti. Are there any vegetables in the fridge? No, there aren't. How much is the spaghetti? Here, spaghetti is a singular noun. It's 3 Qatari Riyals. How much are they? They are 5 Qatari Riyals. How much are they? They are asking about vegetables, a plural noun. So when we ask about the price of a plural noun, we say how much are they? And when we ask about the price of a singular noun, we say how much is.
4. Listen and circle A or B. 1.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Have you got any peaches?
I'm sorry, there aren't any peaches in winter.
There aren't any peaches. Oh, okay. You see, I want to make a peach cake.
I have some red apples. They're tasty.
Apple cake. That's a good idea.
2.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. How about making a pizza?
Great idea. There are some tomatoes. And there's some cheese too.
Yum! I like cheese and tomato pizza. Are there any peppers?
There aren't any peppers in the fridge.
That's okay. Let's make the pizza anyway.
3.
Faye, can you help me? I'm shopping online, but I haven't got my glasses.
Okay, Grandma. What do you want?
There are some lemons in my basket, but I can't see the price. How much are they?
Okay. Here, they're 4 Qatari Riyal. You know, there are some onions in your basket too. They're 2 Qatari Riyal.
Onions? No, I don't want any onions. Only lemons.
OK then. There aren't any onions in the basket now.
Nouns concerning food in English are divided into two categories: countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are the nouns which have a plural form. For example, pear, pears, apple, apples. And uncountable nouns are the nouns which only have a singular form. For example, butter, water, juice. Are there any cheese in the fridge? Are there any carrots in the fridge? We use any with countable nouns and uncountable nouns in questions and negative sentences only. Now, choose some of the food items below and add them to your shopping basket. Then ask and answer with your partner. You can use butter, flour, pears, coconut, pineapple, watermelon, and peaches. Is there any flour in your shopping basket? Yes, there is, or no, there isn't. Are there any pears in your shopping basket? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. You can do the same with your partner. Add some of the food items in your list and then ask and answer. Your workbook, page 44. Are there tomatoes in the fridge? Here we will choose any because it's a question. Now please stop the video, answer the questions, then come back to check your answers. Are there any tomatoes in the fridge? Because it's a question. Number 2, there is some butter on the bread. Number 3, we need some milk from the supermarket. Number 4, do we need any peppers for the sauce? Because it's a question. Number 5, they don't want any onions on their pizza because it's a negative sentence. Oh no, there isn't any cheese on the pizza. Also because it's a negative sentence. Now read and write some or any. Number 1, hey Elsa, have we got any apples in the fridge? Because it's a question. Now please stop the video, write the answers, and then come back to check your answers. We answer, let's remember that we use any for questions and negative sentences, and some for positive sentences. Hey Elsa, have we got any apples in the fridge? I want to make an apple pie. There are 2 apples. Only 2. I need 5. Do you need any butter for the apple pie? Here we will say any because it's a question. Yes, I do. Have we got any butter? Also here is a question, so we use any. No, we haven't. You have to go to the supermarket. Okay, do you want to come with me? Sorry, I have to make dinner. I need some flour too. Here we use some because it's a positive sentence. Have we got any flour in the cupboard? Here we will use any because it's a question. No, we haven't. You have to get some flour too. I think I can make the apple pie another day.